Okay, ikaw muna, bumati ka muna sa buong mundo.
Maya Pabengi po ka lang taga-Angeles City, Pampanga, Ken. Hello, Mama and Samuel, and sa nagbabantay sa bunso ko. Hello.
Ikaw ay may baby na?
Opo.
Ilan?
2 po.
Sa husband mo ngayon?
Yung panganay ko po sa Pilipino.
And then,
Yung pangalawa po sa husband ko ngayon.
kasal ka ba sa kanya?
Opo.
Saan mo siya nakilala?
Sa hotel po. Front desk po ako sa hotel.
Sa hotel siya nagtatrabaho. Front desk ka sa hotel. So, and then, ano siya? Anong nationality?
Korean po.
Korean. Ano sa'yo?
Annyeonghaseyo.
Para mas maganda kwento ba? May 2 picture ng baby. Asan? Ito yung mga baby. Wow. Wow.
Ito po yung panganay ko.
Sa Pilipino.
Opo.
Pero mukhang ano na. Pilipino, Chinese o Pilipino talaga?
Pilipino po.
Yung una, pero ano ang puti ng unang anak mo sa Pilipino yan.
Opo.
Ito yung pangalawa
Opo.
sa Koreano.
5 months po, opo.
Bago lang.
Opo.
Okay, ito siya. Mapalapak natin yung baby nila, di ba? Alright. Tawagin ko muna. Sige, ipakilala mo na.
Pinapakilala ko po ang aking mapagmahal na asawa, si Shin.
Hello, Kuya po, Kuya Will.
Hello, Mr. Shin. How are
Nice
you?
to meet you. 안녕하세요.
Okay, you're Korean.
Yes, Korean.
Okay, do you live here in the Philippines already?
Yes, Angeles.
What do
Yeah,
you do?
Pampanga.
What?
Pampanga.
You work?
Yes, working.
Where?
Clerk in villa and management. Manager.
Ano?
It's a
Manager po sa
manager.
villa.
Manager.
Yes.
In what? Hotel? What?
It's a villa.
Pool villa po.
Villa.
Yeah.
Hotel. Villa, okay.
Yeah.
How many years you live here in the Philippines already?
4 years.
4 years already?
Yeah.
You have your family in Korea.
Yes.
Do you go back to Korea? Visit?
Sometimes.
Why is it that you love to live here in the country, in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you love Philippines? Why?
My asawa meron.
May asawa.
My asawa.
First wife?
Yes, first wife.
Oh.
감사합니다.
You love her so much, huh?
Yes, I very love you. They very
Okay.
love. Yeah.
Why is it not Korean woman? Why is it a Filipina?
My first time asawa meet and I'm thinking is married and plan this.
So the first time you saw her, you want to marry her already.
Yes.
Now you're married.
Yes.
Wow, asawa.
Yes.
Okay, Shin, what do you want to tell your asawa? What do you want to say?
여보 사랑해.
Nado saranghe.
What's that? Wow. Oh. And what do you want to tell Shin, your husband?
Yobo, thank you for loving me and thank you for taking good care of Soljini. Yung baby po namin name yung Soljin. And to Samuel. Samuel po yung panganay ko. And don't change. I love you so much.
Love you so much. I love you so much. 사랑해.
Salo. Up. Oh. It's nice. That's sweet. Thank you, Very nice
Thank
guy.
you so much. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy your stay here in the Philippines. And congratulations. You have a beautiful wife.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Will. Yes, 감사합니다.
Masaya ka ba sa kanya? Mukhang mabait no?
Sobrang bait po.
Saka ano siya, yung nakangiti lang. Di ba?